Hey fam, welcome to Decode the Moment. So listen, if this has happened to you at some point, please watch this. So if your loved one with dementia is grinding their teeth, that's not random. It's communication. Teeth grinding in dementia is called bruxism. You're sitting there. Maybe it's daytime, maybe it's nighttime, maybe it's quiet for once, and then you hear it. That grinding, clicking, repetitive jaw movement. It's easy to think, is this just dementia? Is this normal? Do I ignore it? Let's break this down in layers. On the surface, it looks like a repetitive behavior, but neurologically, dementia can disrupt the brain circuits that control automatic muscle movements. That's why we can see jaw clenching, grinding, or what sometimes looks like phantom chewing. Now, clinically, this is important as it can also show up in certain times of dementia, like frontotemporal dementia, as a known behavioral pattern. Emotionally, though, this is where caregivers miss it. This can be distress, confusion, overstimulation, or discomfort the person can no longer verbalize. And sometimes it's pain. So I want you to stop thinking of this as just a behavior. This is not random. This is the nervous system trying to regulate itself or signal that something is wrong. So here's what I want you to do if you're seeing this. I want you to check 3 things. 1, are there any signs of pain? Refusing food, facial grimacing, or new agitation are some of the signs. 2, are there any dental issues, such as loose teeth, ill-fitting dentures, or oral discomfort? 3, are there any recent medication changes that can affect movement? And then, just as important, 4, look at the environment. Noise, overstimulation, chaos, all of that matters. And please don't wait until you see swelling in the face, obvious mouth pain, chipped teeth, or grinding that's constant and disrupting their sleep. That's a signal to bring them in to a dentist or get medical support quickly. Caregiving is not just about doing tasks. It's learning how to read the signals when the words are gone. And the more you learn how to decode the moment, the less alone and confused you'll feel in it. Please drop a moment in the comments and I'll decode it for you. And I will see you at the next one. And remember, you are not alone. For my mom, she was just hungry. I fed her and all was right in the world.